Hey guys, what's happening? How to use Kraken. To use Kraken in 2026, you can follow this step by step. First of all, you need to create your account and verify it, right? So create your account and make your name and last name identical to your ID. National ID, passport, whatever. Make sure it's identical so you can activate your own account, okay? They will of course send an email, so keep your email on standby to receive activation code and sign up, and also activate your account and verify that this is your email. Okay. What you're gonna do next, enable 2FA. So hit your avatar icon at the top left. Right. Maybe later. And hit security. And you're gonna find two-factor authentication option. You have two options: passkeys via facial recognition or fingerprint, or authenticator app. Okay. In my case, I'm using passkey. So what you're gonna do, just add a passkey, right? And confirm that you want to use a passkey, right? And that means if you can verify via facial recognition, you're gonna have to enter a passkey to sign in, right? You have also the authenticator app, which you could use to, activate your own account with codes that changes every minute. Okay. And once you do all that, verify your identity, of course, to deposit like fiat currency, like USD or Euro, you must complete the KYC or know your customer process. This requires providing your legal name, date of birth, address, and government issued photo ID. All right. Next, funding your account. If you want to deposit cash or crypto, hit portfolio at the bottom left here to see exactly your portfolio here. And this is my crypto portfolio: stocks, bundles, and cash. If you want to fund cash, hit trade at the bottom right. Hit buy. Okay. And you can just try to pin down USD. Right? So in our case, we need to buy, we're going to buy with cash, but it's going to transfer to a crypto, which is USDT in our case, right? So they don't use cash necessarily. You need to convert it from crypto to cash, not buy cash with cash directly. You know what I mean? So the closest thing to a USD cash is Tether or Tether USDT. So I'm going to hit Tether, enter the amount I want to buy, and select your payment method. I have some cash left on the side, but you can use Apple Pay or MasterCard or debit card. Okay, so debit card or credit card, excuse me. Right, and of course verify. Let me show you how it's done. I'm gonna enter $6. Continue, and confirm that you want to buy at least $6 or $6 of USDT with cash. All right, but if you want to deposit crypto, right, the same process that we did just now, but choose a crypto, right? So choose another crypto, excuse me. So in our case, because Tether USDT is basically a crypto, so in our case, we're gonna use Bitcoin, right? So let's say I want to buy $10 of Bitcoin using cash, right? So same thing. If you have cash on the side, you can just go ahead and pay with your wallet or your cash wallet, or you can use USDT, right? If you have a crypto dollar, or Apple Pay with your debit or credit card supported, and of course you can add it manually if you want to add it manually. Okay. Now, for beginners, you simply just buy using these, but if you want to trade crypto, you need to use Kraken Pro, because this Kraken version is basically for holding or selling. Okay, they're not for basically trading, like necessarily. If you want to use, or if you want to trade actively, what you're gonna do, you could just go back to your screen and go and download Kraken Pro and enter the same credentials that you did before, right? Same password, same email, and you will be taken to the basically trading platform, okay, where you can go and trade however you want. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin with US dollar, right? This is my favorite trading pair. If you want to buy or sell the coin, you can just go ahead and hit. Okay. In my case, I want to buy. Please be aware that this is not a financial advice. Study the market before executing, because crypto in general is highly volatile. Okay. So you could go ahead and select the type of trade, limit, market. I prefer limit or market, but you can choose however you want, right? Market means essentially buying the current price. Limit means buying under a price you choose. So if you want to buy now it's 93,000. If you want to buy when the price hits 95,000, you can do that, or lower. You can if you expect the market to go down a little bit, so you can do that as well. And of course, set the TP and SL, because very, very important. I'm gonna keep it simple, right? Enter a percentage, which is much better, right? Because you never know the prices of the market. And the stop loss should be less than, you know what I mean? Let's say, 5%, let's say, right? 5% profit, 5% loss, okay? And then what you're gonna do, hit buy or sell the coin. You can change it here from here too, if you want to buy or sell the coin. If you expect the market to go down, just hit sell now and set the price in TP and SL. But if you want to buy, you're gonna buy at the current price. Okay, so you have other option too, which is staking. You can use Kraken Pro or Kraken Wallet for that matter. You can hit earn right here at the bottom middle or right a little bit, where you can earn rewards on your idle assets by selecting staking from the menu. All right, so you have Bitcoin, just highly staked here, US dollar, Cosmos, which is a crypto, Ethereum, etc., etc. I prefer you choose Ethereum and Bitcoin because safe bet. So choose Bitcoin, for example, and I have two options. You can stake bonded or flexible, where you're gonna basically earn 0.15% APR, right? After you stay consistent. It's important to stay consistent with the market, right? So, if you want to stake using Bitcoin and you want just slow growth, use Kraken staking feature. Okay, withdrawing funds. If you want to withdraw funds, you have two options. You can withdraw to a bank or to a different chain. So if you want to withdraw funds to your bank, from Kraken, go back to your screen, you go to your wallet and portfolio, and then let's say, for example, I want to withdraw a crypto, right? If you want to withdraw a crypto, you need to transfer it or convert it into a cash. So if you want to withdraw cash, you can just scroll a little bit down, find your cash here, let's say US dollar. After you converted, let's say Bitcoin, if you want to know how to convert, just hit trade at the bottom right here and convert. Exchange one asset for another, right? And let's say I want to convert 25% of BTC. Instead of AVAX, I'm gonna choose USD or Euro or Canadian dollar, whatever, right? I'm gonna use US dollar. Continue and confirm that you want to withdraw Bitcoin into cash. So you can withdraw to a bank right away. Okay, let's say I want now to withdraw funds to my bank account right away. Hit your cash after you convert it, withdraw, and then enter the amount, minimum $100, right? And select your bank account, right? You can see that I already added a bank account, but you can add a new bank account from here. Okay, enter your bank account details, IBAN, account number, bank name, and BIC or SWIFT code. Okay, and they will send the funds to your bank account. But if you want to withdraw crypto right away, you want to withdraw to another platform or another chain, as crypto, people in crypto call it. So I'm gonna go ahead to Bitcoin the same. Scroll a little bit down, hit withdraw, and select your network, and then enter the address generated by the other platform, like let's say Phantom or you know, crypto.com or any other platform really that deals with crypto in general, or even Trust Wallet. If they accept Lightning Network, they will provide an address after you want to deposit some Bitcoin, let's say in that wallet, and then copy just the address and paste it here. Okay, so yeah, basically that's how you use Kraken for your day-to-day process, for your day-to-day working, or for your day-to-day profits. Basically, yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.